How to use Telegram animated stickers on WhatsApp. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead to your Telegram and just go ahead and enter any chats that you want. So in my case, I'm going to enter this one and just simply go ahead and start sending GIFs by clicking next to the bell icon right here. You're going to see the stickers. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just click next to the sticker in the middle. You're going to see on your left GIFs. So I'm going to just click on it. And now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just send whatever, sticker that I want. So in my case, I send this one. Just simply play it right here. What I'm going to do next, I'm going to just click the forwarding kind of icon right here at the below left. Next to the share with, you're going to see right here an upload kind of a thing. That means that you're going to share it to an external, website. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead to share it to my WhatsApp and simply just select the person that you want to send this, GIF to. So in my case, I'm going to send it to myself. Hit next, and as you can see right here, the GIF has been, the animated sticker has been sent right here by clicking proceeding right here to send it to your WhatsApp. And as you can see, we already sent it by just going back to right here to our screen. Just simply enter your WhatsApp and just go ahead to your chats. And as you can see right here, we already sent the animated sticker from Telegram to WhatsApp. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.